And welcome to S Yamaha and Marine in Hanover, PA, South Central Pennsylvania's best servicing marine dealership. We just traded a 2017 Alumacraft Pro 185 bass boat. It's an 18-foot bass aluminum boat with a Yamaha 115 SHO, super high output. The outboard has factory warranty until November of 2025. Alumacraft custom painted trailer, a swing tongue, spare tire on a mount. Came out of Virginia freshwater. Minn Kota 24 volt Maxxum 70-pound thrust up front. And a Humminbird Pirahna 4 down imaging mounted to the trolling motor. Has Line-X spray and liner right from the factory. Lots of storage, front and rear live wells in this particular boat. Several rod holders in the rear. Yamaha 115 SHO. Lowrance Hook 7 down imaging at the console on a ram mount. Great boat in great shape. It's all serviced and ready to go. Anytime we trade a boat, we service everything, boat, motor, and trailer, so they're completely ready to go. It has some spectacular warranty left on this 115 SHO from Yamaha. All serviced and ready to rip. Give us a call, shoot us an email if you have any questions. In the boat, lots of storage, rod storage here. Lockable storage front. Has front and rear live wells. Rear live well here. And onboard battery charger for the 24 volt motor. Thanks for watching.